to head out on a wilderness Sitka blacktail deer hunt, and I thought it was really cool. The full moon is setting. I don't know if I've really ever seen it quite like this before. So we're leaving out of Auk Bay and heading over to Admiralty Island, which is Kuznawoo, the fortress of the Alaskan brown bear. It's supposed to be 41 high today, so the chances of seeing brown bears out and about are very high. Often they're hibernating by this time of year, but it's too warm. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually going down as we speak. It's pretty cool. Hey, I just had to pee over the edge of the boat, and so it's actually not that hard to do. You just have to have something to hold on to. Anyways, this is the view on the way out. Those are the Chilkat Mountains. Skagway is up that way. Let's see, hard for me to show. This is Juneau, where we came from. Douglas Island, where I used to live. Wow, sunrise. We're headed out. Can you see mountains in the background? We're headed behind those on the other side to Seymour Canal. Admiralty Island, huge island. Anyways, I'm stoked. We're headed behind this mountain on the other side. Hi, this is Kelly. I'm doing one of my favorite passions, which is hunting. Today I'm hunting Sitka blacktail deer, and I'll just show you the scenery here. It's almost dusk on my first day. On beautiful Admiralty Island. I'm heading out to Seymour Canal, which is out this way where the sun's setting. So I'm gonna go take a look along the shoreline. Okay, I'm trying to get to a good vantage point for sunset. This is a muskeg. Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at that road. Holy shit. Oh. Wow. There's some geese. I don't see anything moving here in the muskeg. But I'm not sure if my other video showed the road very well. So these are Sitka blacktails. They're a really small deer, smaller than a whitetail. So I'm going to try to show you comparable size. So that's my 270. That's a huge rock. Wow. We're just getting set up. I'm with 3 coworkers. One female who doesn't hunt, one male who's first time hunting. Oh, I thought There was a second rub. This is definitely a rub line though. And another male who has hunted for years like myself. Tell me if the view gets any better than this. I mean, really, does it? Holy crap. This is why I live in Alaska. I mean, this is all self-guided. I'm out here by myself. That might show it better. Okay, I'm gonna try to walk down to the beach, but there's been deer walking back there today sometime. It's supposed to rain for the next 3 days, so it ought to be interesting. For Sitka Blacktail, these are some pretty decent tracks. I'm kind of more scouting than hunting right now because I've never been to this spot. And I sort of want to get down here for sunset. Because part of hunting, to me, is enjoying the ambiance of the place. So I'm kind of going pretty fast. Wow. Oh. I'm just catching the tail end of sunset. And then I'm going to walk back to camp. This would be a really good spot to see a deer in this opening. So I want to go a little bit slower right here. Oh, duck. Alright. Wow. It doesn't get any better than this, does it? Look at that sunset. In a place I've never seen a sunset. Oh. Wow. Good night from Alaska. This is Kelly and I'm here hunting. I just took a break. I just filled up my water bottle from this stream. And I used my SteriPen to sterilize the water. The UV light kills the microorganisms and parasites. So I'm going to get ready to take off again and heading down to the sea. So I've seen lots of deer tracks so far, but no deer. I need to pack up my Kafaru tent here, so this is my pack frame and it's full of different dry bags and it has my topographical map on the top. So I'll be just portaging this out to the tramway. And this is my Kafaru collapsible stove, my stovepipe. Kept me nice and warm. A few different burn holes I need to patch. And here's the bag for the Kafaru tent. This is an awesome little tarp that I won at the Alaska Hunter Safety annual meeting. And it has some kind of a space age sort of reflective kind of tinfoil looking material, and it's really light and versatile. It's called the UST base all-weather tarp. I really liked it. I laid it on top of me and it kept my body warm, and it comes with stakes and everything, which I didn't use. I probably would leave these at home unless I was needing the stakes for some reason because it's extra weight. And so I'm just getting ready to get packed up here. It's pouring rain, so I'm actually wearing a dry suit, and I'm just going to put on my camouflage pants over top of that because most things that claim they're waterproof are not actually waterproof, but this dry suit is waterproof. And then this is my last dry bag, so I have 2 bags to portage. Here's my waterproof gun case, and then once I get everything, all my gear ready, then I'm going to go hunting for a couple hours before we actually leave at high tide to get out of this narrow channel here. So you could only leave at high tide. The water rushes in so much, but you can see all the rain on the outside of my Kafara tent, and this all collapses and fits into a regular tent size bag, and then the wood stove itself fits into this bag. And I've done another video on this using it winter camping. I've had this tent for probably close to 8 years, and I've used it quite a lot in all weather conditions, and it works wonders. And it's not even really staked out properly because I didn't have any flat surface here, so it actually is even more spacious normally. So anyways, I thought I'd share that with you. Get outdoors, go wild, and follow your wildest dreams. So that's a video. Hold on. Towing our gear. Seas back here. It's not that high from what we can see in front of us, but the there where we gotta go. So we're headed 3 miles crossing. We'll make it. So here's what we're facing. It's gonna be a rough one. Driving the 4-wheeler. Use this to haul our gear down to the boat, and now I tank it back, and then I'm gonna walk back to the boat. I just dropped off the 4-wheeler, and now I'm headed back down. And this is going to be the seas we're going to try to get home in. 3 of us have to work, and 1 doesn't, but we'll see if I guess 7 footers is what the Weather Channel says, or Weather resources say. And we have to go back by that glacier over there, kind of where we're headed. So hopefully we'll make it okay. sketchy 5, 6, 7 footers. Made it back. 7-foot seas, 35 knots, gale force wind, and we made it back in the little toy tug. And she did well with 4 people and all of our gear. So safe and sound back in Knock Bay, ready to go home, clean up, put everything away, and go to work tomorrow. Great weekend, giving thanks for all of the blessings in my life.